Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Zany Zebras, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Zany Zebras, and we're going to be using this zebra and Wild About You. We will start with our stamping, and I have the Magenta Madness. And I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have our little zebra mounted on clear block D. So just like that. And then I have another piece of Whisper White. And I have our sentiment mounted on clear block G. All right. That's all the stamping that we're doing. I'm going to bring in my big shot. Okay. And I have the stitch shapes, and I have the biggest and the second to the biggest circles. This is obviously the biggest circle. And we will run that through. And this is Magenta Madness as well, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Alright, so we're going to keep that, and we're also going to keep that. Look at that little zebra, isn't he so cute? Okay, so we will start putting this card together. I have my classic label punch. Now, I usually put a piece of longer cardstock here, but I thought it was big enough. Alright, there we go. That is pretty good. Now, let's put this card together. I have a piece of the Artistry Blooms, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I have our Stampin' Seal. All right. And we're going to layer that. That's just a little paper saver here. So you don't have any wasted paper in there. Sometimes the mat is just the mat. All right. And I have our card base is basic black. And it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, and then I'm going to get our little Zany Zebra. And layer him just like that. I'm going to pop him up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we'll put him in the center right there. Then I have our Wild About You, and I have the little mini dimensionals. And just going to put a couple here, probably 3. All right, and I want it kind of sideways there. Now I'm going to come in with my in color enamel dots. Let's see, do I want it here? Yeah, I think I want them there. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!